Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Here we see this gorgeous lob haircut, and then we move into this beautiful pixie. So she's going to be getting some color added to this particular haircut. Wow, she ended up going with this beautiful blonde. Great way to kind of shake things up, trying out a new hair color. Here we see this gorgeous pink and mint green colored bob. We're seeing so many bold and vibrant hair colors this season, and I think that this is a great way to infuse two trends in one. Next up, we see the styling and hair cutting of this pixie haircut. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like, and of course hit that subscribe button to join the Fashion Trend Seeker family and see more hot hair trends. Wow, absolutely gorgeous pixie haircut, beautiful bangs in the front. Love the volume that the stylist added through the use of layers. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we see another haircut makeover for the next hair transformation. Wow, the stylist is adding beautiful tipped ends. Looks like hints of purple, turquoise, blue. Wow, this is gorgeous. And then we see some more hair color being added to the next hairstyle. Looks like they might be doing the money piece highlight trend. So she went with this bold burgundy and the bang portions of the hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see this silver tone pixie cut. This one has a slight hint of purple going there at the top. And then they're getting an undercut shaven design in the back portion of the hair. And she did add in more color, purple and blue at the top. Very chic hairstyle. So then we see the hair cutting of this bob. Gorgeous classic bob haircut, middle part down the center. And then we see this beautiful red based pixie cut. She has a gorgeous reddish brown tone. Beautiful shape and texture. Then we see the cutting of this beautiful lob haircut. And then we see another longer pixie with hints of purple mixed in. Beautiful color. So if you guys felt inspired by this video, be sure to check this one out to see more inspiring hair ideas.